Amnesia beast, don't forget the money, man.
That nigga set the bar, man. He set the bar, man. That shit was hard. He set the bar on that one. Y'all comment down below, man, what y'all think, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. He was spinning that motherfucker. Y'all let me know what y'all think on that one. I ain't gonna lie.
Man, what you? Hey, DreDay TV, 100K Dre on the way, man. We bring you everything.
Hey, y'all get everything on this channel. Stop playing. Y'all get the slabs, y'all get the Mopar, y'all get the spinning. He teeing that bitch up, I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie.
Come on, bro. We need some hey, bro. They up right now. They up right now. Hold on. Hey, check this out. That's cool. That's cool right now. Hey, bro. Right now, I'm letting them up. You know what I'm saying, my bro? Hey, hold on. Hey, you got it. Bro, got it. You know what I'm saying? So, this is still round one. You know what I'm saying? Bro got it. He got it right now, but we got something.
Rick looking good.
Hey, looking good. It's cool.
He making that tail all
Yeah, hell yeah. But the time is coming though. Y'all see, hey, A1 toss, SRT picking the key. So we finna show goddamn hey, how we control these hoes out here, man, for real. But yeah, hey, he just fucked it up. I ain't gonna lie, my bro just fucked it up, and he got a little too crazy. But hey, bro. You did your shit, bro, but you did your shit. I give you that. But that's round one with the three. We got SRT picking, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna show out. Yeah, we putting on for ATL. Hey, we putting on for ATL for sure, bro.
Hey, that's certified, man. SRT Rick is official, man. Stop playing with that, man.
Yeah, official. You locked in, bro. You got it, bro. You got it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, stop playing. But what SRT?
All right, bro. What's your Instagram, gang?
SRT Rick with 2 Q's.
Yes, sir, man. Houston. Okay. What y'all think, man? Comment. What y'all think? Comment.
I gotta take my shirt off, y'all. Hey, Flex, I need another shirt. Yes.
Shit!
Stop playing, nigga. Stop playing, nigga. That's how you try that bitch, nigga. Stop playing. That nigga fuck that hoe. Hey, look, hey. Hold on, let me up, bro. Hey, that's SRT Pinky, but you know what I'm saying? That's a 392. He was in the Hellcat. So, bro, you know what I'm saying? It's still a. But hey, man, Pinky, hey, what y'all let me know the work. Y'all let me know. SRT Rick or SRT because he got a Hellcat. You know, it's gonna be at the shop next week, but.
Man,
bro,
we're coming back for that.
You coming back for it? You want more action?
I'm talking about the 23rd.
Oh, 23rd.
I'm talking about the 23rd.
Hey, bro, come here, bro. Woo! Hey, look, y'all, it's active out here, man. It's active for real.
Good shit, boy.
This, y'all see, it's all love, man. Ain't no competition, bro. We love this shit.
Hey, man, we all gonna shine together for shit show. Ain't nobody better than nobody. We gonna shine together, my nigga, know what I'm saying? That's what we do out here from H-Time to motherfucking ATL.
Yeah,
Stop
for real. That's all. It's all love, bro. I appreciate you for coming out here, though, bro, because you showed me how to slide. This fool I've been in this fool passenger seat right there, bro. He drive automatic, so he hey, bro, just drive that bitch, bro. That's all. But I appreciate you, you know what I'm saying?
Man, y'all come in, let me know what y'all think, man. What y'all got? Y'all got Atlanta or Houston? He didn't put Atlanta on the map, man. What, he repping Atlanta too, huh?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So he repping Atlanta. He gonna put on for Atlanta, man. come to play no games, nigga. Atlanta ain't come to play no games. Atlanta ain't come to play no games, man. Hey, shout out to everybody that's watching from Atlanta, man. Comment where y'all watching from, bro. Hey, these niggas teed up. Atlanta, stand up. Atlanta, stand up.
ATL, y'all outside.
So they get wicked. So they get wicked. Atlanta said they here, nigga. Sheesh. Atlanta said they here, nigga. I ain't gonna count. Hey, man. Say, man. Sheesh. Shout yourself out, gang.
Hey, 392 with a V on the ground, man. We going up. All the way from the A, man. What flex is?
Hey, look, y'all. Hey, hold on, man. Hold on, look. Right now, it's 2 against 1. It's 2. They up 2 right now. We got 1. You know, one of our main sliders right now. His car's, you know what I'm saying? But right now, look, I'm waiting for my rider to pull up, so I gotta put on, man, for real, y'all. I gotta get out here and slide some shit. Well, we supposed to be out here. Hey, Atlanta, they up right now. Look, y'all, look, it's all real. Ain't no faking out here. Them boys just came and they turned up, man. Hey, where you at, bro? Get over here, bro. Hey, I thought y'all was crashed about 3 times. Bro.
Everybody said that, but look, check the whole whip.
Look. Hey, bro. Hey, look, play the clip though. Look, you know, hey, play the clip though. Hey, play the clip though. Hey.
How close we get?
Yeah, I did.
We do this, man.
Can't tell me nothing else. Who coming harder in the city, nigga? Okay. Whip something in, nigga. Why y'all get that 392, nigga? I'm telling you, it's up, bro. God, hey, God, I just want to say I love every step of the process, man.
Hey, no, that's good. You got too much smoke. Oh, you got too much smoke.
Hey, bro, hold on, bro. Hold on. Hey, look, make sure your camera's brother. Hold on. Don't go out there till you get your camera. Hold on. Hey, look, hold on. Hey,
shut yourself out, gang. Shut yourself out.
Hold on. I said I got my money on Anthem. Hold on. We still in round 1 right now. Look, we still in round 1. But, hey, boy, stop playing with my boy, man. We finna get it. Anthem nice. Come on, man. Where you at? Where you at, big dog? Alright, we finna right now. Go ahead, nigga. You good? Yeah, you good.
Stop playing, nigga. Huh?
Mercy on the scanner, she said she
Let's go. Let's go. Your bitch is here.